Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a quick tutorial on this halo eye, and if you want to see how to achieve it, then please keep watching. So first I'm going to prime my eyes using the Louise base in the shade 02. Today I'll be using the Warm Brown Obsessions palette from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to start off with this shade right here. I'm using Morphe E18 brush for this step, and I'm packing the eyeshadow on my inner corner and then on the outer portion of my lid, leaving some space in the middle for the shimmer. Then, using the same brush without any additional product, I'm going to lightly blend out the edges just so it was easier to blend with the next shade. Now I'm going with the lightest shade in the palette, and I'm using Morphe M321 brush to blend out the edges of the previous color. Now I'm gonna go with this darker shade, and I'm using Morphe E36 brush just to darken the corners. I'm gonna go back to those edges for a second to make sure that everything's nicely blended. Then for the lid, we're gonna go with this gold shade, and then I'm going to apply this Mcgrath shade from Mothership 9 palette. As you can see, it's not a full covered shimmer, so we need a base for that. And I'm using Morphe M124 brush for this step. You can use any flat synthetic brush or even your finger, but I like to be a little bit more precise when it comes to halo eye. Now I'm going to blend out the edges of that gold and a little bit at the top so it doesn't look harsh. Now, just using my finger, I'm going to apply that gold shade from Mcgrath as a topper. This is the kind of look that you want to do before your foundation, because as you can see, there is going to be some fallout and you want to be able to clean it up. Now I'm going to apply some foundation and concealer and move on to my lower lash line. First I'm going to go with the darker shade, the one that I used to darken the corners, and Morphe E36 brush. Then I'm going to switch to Morphe E18 and I'm going to go with the lightest shade, the very first shade that I used on the lid. Now, using Morphe M321 brush, I'm just going to diffuse the edges using that lightest shade in the palette. I'm going to use this shade from the Mcgrath palette to highlight my inner corner a little bit. For my waterline, I'll be using a white pencil from Makeup Forever. You can go with a darker one as well if you want it to look more smoky. I also applied some eyeliner off camera, as you can see, to help me hide the lash band. Finally, going to apply some eyelashes, and our look is complete. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. It really helps my small channel, and I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye!